Tony Watson here with Robert Hall & Associates. Today's topic that we're going to discuss is who do you have to file a 1099 for? Now remember, we're not talking about 1099 INTs for interest income. We're not talking about 1099 DIVs, which are for dividends. We're talking about the 1099 miscellaneous form, meaning that if I hire somebody as an independent contractor and I pay that individual over $600 on an annual basis, I'm required to file a red Form 1099 with the Social Security Administration showing the federal government that I paid this individual over $600. Now, if I pay an individual annually $500, am I required to file a 1099? No, because I've paid that individual under $600 on an annual basis. Now remember, this is on an annual calendar year, 365-day period. So if you hire this person 5 or 6 times at $300 per job, it still adds up to be more than $600. So you still are required to file that 1099. And this is only if you pay an individual. If you pay a corporation, you do not have to 1099 a corporation. The deadlines for filing 1099s are February 28th to file with the federal government, but that 1099, the copy of the 1099, has to be given to the contractor by January 31st of every year. So remember that these deadlines are very important, because if you file the 1099s late with the federal government, you could pay penalties or end up paying penalties and interest. Okay? So along with that 1099, you also have to file what's called a Form 1096. Now, if you have 15 people that you're 1099ing, you'll have 15 individual 1099s, but the 1096 is a summary form that shows the total amount that you've 1099'd all individuals throughout the year. So make sure that you're filing the necessary forms, and if you have questions about how to file these forms or where to file or when to file, pick up the phone and give Robert Hall & Associates a call. Thanks for stopping by.